From my personal experience, I would like to go back to the day when I took the IIT examination. And I remember there were two incidents which happened during the IIT examination which I took. One is I fell extremely ill before one of the most important papers, the physics paper. And I fell ill enough to a point that I was about to give up and just leave it and walk out of that examination hall. The second thing which happened was on the very same day we had the mathematics paper, and I remember when I looked at the paper for the first time, there was not a single problem which I felt I could solve. And in both the cases, the one trigger which went off in my mind was that if I am feeling this, there will be others like me who would be feeling equally unprepared or unsure at that moment. I think the only difference between me as a person who made it in the examination and many who didn't was the fact that I persisted. Even though I was feeling unwell, I said I must give it a good shot, and I just worked on for those 3 hours and I solved that paper. For the math paper, I know lots and lots of people in my batch who took the maths paper, thought they had done extremely badly and didn't even show up for the next examination. And later on, we realized that there were some 5,000 people who had scored 0 in that paper. So again, it's a matter of persisting, of performing on the big day. So on the day of the examination, many a times it's not the amount of work which you've done, but the attitude which you bring to that day. And I think the one thing which sums up that attitude is that I will not give up till the last minute, and I will keep at it, and then result will speak for itself. So that is my take on what it takes to crack big exams like the IIT or the IIM.